Delta. Why your eyes change? Delta. On me. Sleep. No, not on me though. Oh good. I need you to go somewhere else to go to sleep. Not on my back, please. Sorry. Look at me. Look up. Can you go somewhere else? Get off my back. Boy. What's up, people? Thanks for tuning in to 100 Days of City Homestead. I'm sitting out here enjoying the water and reading a nice book. I want to talk to you guys today about everything that's going on in the world and how you can still start. You still can start your journey of gardening, your journey of farming, your journey of having your own homestead. It's early in the morning, you guys. I like doing this. I live right across the water. So, let's go.
That one, that Shadow. I'm keeping her.
For real? That's my man.
Well, I guess Shadow is what Larry.
Yeah. It's a cool beat. What's it called? I was asking $15. That's about it. I don't think he can do it.
You're a good mommy. You're a good mommy. Look at the babies. Say hi. Are you feeding her?
Yeah.
Say hi. You sleep. Just sleep. Not bad. There you go. Hey. Yo, it's all right. Thank you, Mama. You're so protective. I love that. Oh, look at her, Mama.
You going to use them targets?
Decent job. You got the lettuce and the chamomile and the beans and all that. You're doing all right. Proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Oh, thing.
Are you gonna make a little raised bed out of it?
Yeah. These gonna be holes. I'm gonna cut.
I'm gonna have to put something under that to keep it safe.
I'm gonna cut all of this right here, and they combine it. I just need hinges or something to keep something together. That's the only thing I'm missing for this.
You got your mint or peppermint. And then we got mint. You got some little peppermint and mint. I see you got it labeled. Is this Swiss chard in here? Looks like it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It says like kale, so.
I seen the red root, so that's what made me know. So that's actually, now I think about it, that's what I had planted when I told you I didn't know what had popped up. In that pot over there near my window. The same thing, you remember I got this in my house, this and that. That's what it is, it's Swiss chard. Slowly but surely, we got the paper into the
This
dirt
right
and wood chips. Get
Here's gonna be a
everything.
separate section right here.
Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, like I said, you should put the elderberry tree right there.
Right here?
Yeah. Because the sun is gonna be right there, and then it'll help, and then it'll overbear.
This is gonna take over the snow patch.
You can maintain it. I'm proud of you, though. It's slowly getting there. Slowly getting stuff in order. Slowly but surely. And get your little green beans you said you can pull out and everything.
These are the carrots.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and
You have to definitely separate those. Try to.
these are the wildflowers.
Okay. Cool. Alrighty. Y'all see what we're doing. It's right now. It's March. Look again in April. That's gonna be awesome. Is that carrots right there?
Yeah.
Oh, I can see them. I love it. Okay.
I don't know if those are the strawberries, but where the bamboo sticks are at. Right here and here.
Is that the seeds or the planting? I mean
Those are the bare roots.
Yeah.
So I don't know if that's the one right there.
Okay. Look at you being our engineering chitive with this stuff. It's a time making and building. Okay.
Yeah, that was for the plastic.
Alrighty. What's up, everybody? I'm exhausted. I'm trying to get used to working and everything and managing life and the homestead and making sure everything stays clean. So I'm sorry I haven't been able to edit and talk. I'm actually about to go to bed, but I wanted to wrap up this video for you guys. So as you've seen it, we're pretty much everywhere with our gardening, trying to build the community. You can start in your apartment, okay, you guys? It's easy. You can do it. Everyone asks me all the time, how do you have this? How do you have that? I love it. I love being able to help others expand their mind and just understand. Listen, you don't know what could happen, all right? I'm not going to talk about war. I'm not going to talk about none of that. But you don't know what could happen the next day from tomorrow. So you need to make sure that you're prepared, okay? Having 2 months of supply of food at least, having some water at least. These are the little things that you can do. Create the space for it. Create the time for it. Get some books. You don't have to read them now, but have them so that if you need to access them, you can. And yeah, you can do it in your spare time. Like right now, I just got home. It's late. I was out driving Uber all night, but now I'm home. And I'm able to check on everybody, check on the birds, and refresh their water. You know, just do what I can do. And then in the morning, when I wake up, it's already a morning routine that I do with them. So yeah, there's that. But you guys, you can do this at any time at your discretion. And I really want you guys to keep this at the front of your mind. Please keep this at the front of your mind. I know you may not think of it as a serious thing, but now I am going to talk about the war and stuff, okay? You guys know all this stuff that is happening. China's telling their people to stock up for a year's worth. The U.S. is now just finally taking things mainstream and talking about it. So I want you guys to be ready at all costs. Make sure that you are ready. Okay, you guys? Love y'all. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you to everyone that's watching this. This is day 10. Day 11 is going to be a nice little one. It's going to be me and my wife. We're going to be discussing the different spectrums of having a homestead, because I like it, but does she like it? All right, guys. See ya.